production and consumption by enabling the use of renewable resources and reducing the use of fossil fuels. The healthcare industry is facing many challenges, including rising costs, increasing demand for services, and a shortage of healthcare professionals. Artificial intelligence, AI, has the potential to address many of these challenges by enabling more efficient and effective healthcare delivery. In this article, we will explore the role of AI in healthcare, including its applications, benefits, and challenges. Applications of AI in healthcare. AI has a wide range of applications in healthcare, including medical imaging. AI can be used to analyze medical images, such as X-rays and MRIs, to detect abnormalities and diagnose diseases. Electronic health records, EHRs. AI can be used to analyze EHR data to identify patterns and trends that can help healthcare professionals make more informed decisions. Drug discovery. AI can be used to analyze large amounts of data to identify potential drug candidates and accelerate the drug discovery process. Personalized medicine. AI can be used to analyze patient data, such as genetics and medical history, to develop personalized treatment plans. The technology uses dispersant and viscosity-forming products, including dispersants such as titanium dioxide and viscosity-forming agents such as silicon dioxide. In recent years, there has been a growing interest in the use of dispersants and viscosity modifiers in various industries, including coatings, adhesives, and personal care products. Dispersants are used to improve the dispersion of solids in liquid systems, while viscosity modifiers are used to control the flow properties of liquids. Two common types of dispersants and viscosity modifiers are titanium dioxide and silicon dioxide, respectively. In this article, we will explore the technology behind the use of these products, their applications, and the challenges and opportunities they present. Technology behind dispersants and viscosity modifiers. Titanium dioxide is a white pigment that is commonly used in coatings, plastics, and personal care products. It is also used as a dispersant in these applications, as it can improve the dispersion of solids in liquid systems. This is achieved through the creation of a stable dispersion by reducing the interparticle forces between particles in the liquid system. Titanium dioxide can also act as a stabilizer for emulsions, preventing the separation of oil and water phases. Silicon dioxide, on the other hand, is a viscosity modifier that is commonly used in personal care products, paints, and adhesives. It is used to control the flow properties of liquids by increasing their viscosity. This is achieved through the creation of a network of particles that trap the liquid between them, increasing its resistance to flow. Silicon dioxide can also act as a thickener for emulsions, providing a stable and smooth texture. Applications of dispersants and viscosity modifiers. Dispersants and viscosity modifiers have a wide range of applications in various industries. Some of the key applications include coatings. Dispersants and viscosity modifiers are commonly used in coatings to improve their performance and appearance. Titanium dioxide is used as a white pigment in paints and coatings, while silicon dioxide is used as a thickener and viscosity modifier. Personal care products. Dispersants and viscosity modifiers are commonly used in personal care products, such as lotions, creams, and shampoos. Titanium dioxide is used as a UV filter and whitening agent, while silicon dioxide is used as a viscosity modifier and thickener. Adhesives, dispersants, and viscosity modifiers are commonly used in adhesives to improve their performance and stability. Silicon dioxide is used as a viscosity modifier and flow control agent. Challenges and opportunities. While dispersants and viscosity modifiers offer many benefits, there are also challenges that need to be addressed. Some of the key challenges include environmental concerns. Titanium dioxide can pose environmental concerns, as it can accumulate in waterways and harm aquatic life. Silicon dioxide is generally considered safe, but there are concerns about its potential impact on the environment. Health concerns. Titanium dioxide nanoparticles have been linked to health concerns, such as respiratory problems and cancer. Silicon dioxide is generally considered safe, but there are concerns about its potential impact on human health. Cost. Dispersants and viscosity modifiers can be expensive, particularly when used in large quantities. However, there are also opportunities for the future of dispersants and viscosity modifiers. Some of the key opportunities include development of new technologies. The development of new technologies and materials can improve the performance and safety of dispersants and viscosity modifiers. Sustainable sourcing. The use of sustainable sourcing practices can reduce the environmental impact of dispersants and viscosity modifiers. Collaboration. Collaboration between industry, government, and academia can promote the development of new technologies and materials, as well as the adoption of sustainable sourcing practices. Nanotechnology has the potential to revolutionize the energy industry by enabling the development of new materials and devices that are more efficient, cost-effective, and sustainable. In this article, we will explore the applications and potential of nanotechnology in energy, including solar energy, energy storage, and fuel production. Solar energy. Solar energy is a key component of sustainable energy, and nanotechnology has the potential to make solar energy more efficient and cost-effective. Nanotechnology can be used to create new materials and devices that can absorb more sunlight and convert it into electricity more efficiently. For example, researchers are developing solar cells that use nanomaterials such as perovskites and quantum dots, which have the potential to be more efficient and cheaper than traditional silicon-based solar cells. Nanotechnology can also be used to improve the durability and performance of solar panels, making them more reliable in extreme weather conditions. Energy storage. Energy storage is another important area where nanotechnology can make a significant impact. Nanotechnology can be used to create new materials for energy storage devices such as batteries and supercapacitors. For example, researchers are developing lithium-ion batteries that use nanomaterials such as silicon and graphene, which have the potential to increase energy density and reduce charging times. Nanotechnology can also be used to improve the durability and safety of energy storage devices, making them more suitable for use in electric vehicles and other applications. Fuel production. Nanotechnology can also be used to improve the production of fuels such as hydrogen and biofuels. For example, researchers are developing catalysts made of nanomaterials such as graphene and metal nanoparticles, which can improve the efficiency and selectivity of chemical reactions involved in fuel production. Nanotechnology can also be used to create new materials for fuel cells, which can generate electricity directly from fuels such as hydrogen. Challenges and opportunities. While nanotechnology offers many opportunities in the energy industry, there are also challenges that need to be addressed. One of the key challenges is the scalability of nanotechnology-based energy technologies. Many nanomaterials and devices are still in the experimental stage and have not been scaled up for commercial production. Another challenge is the potential environmental and health impacts of nanomaterials, which need to be carefully evaluated. However, there are also many opportunities for the future of nanotechnology in energy. The development of new materials and devices can make solar energy, energy storage, and fuel production more efficient and cost-effective. The use of nanotechnology can also reduce the environmental impact of energy production and consumption by enabling the use of renewable resources and reducing the use of fossil fuels. The healthcare industry is facing many challenges, including rising costs, increasing demand for services, and a shortage of healthcare professionals. Artificial intelligence, AI, has the potential to address many of these challenges by enabling more efficient and effective healthcare delivery. In this article, we will explore the role of AI in healthcare, including its applications, benefits, and challenges. Applications of AI in healthcare. AI has a wide range of applications in healthcare, including medical imaging. AI can be used to analyze medical images, such as X-rays and MRIs, to detect abnormalities and diagnose diseases. Electronic health records, EHRs. AI can be used to analyze EHR data to identify patterns and trends that can help healthcare professionals make more informed decisions. Drug discovery. AI can be used to analyze large amounts of data to identify potential drug candidates and accelerate the drug discovery process. Personalized medicine. AI can be used to analyze patient data, such as genetics and medical history, to develop personalized treatment plans. Transposition reactions and structure of inorganic compounds, including ion transposition, ligand transposition, and nuclear fission. Inorganic compounds play a crucial role in many aspects of modern life, from materials science to medicine. The study of inorganic chemistry involves understanding the properties and behavior of these compounds, including their structure and the reactions they undergo. In this article, we will explore transposition reactions and the structure of inorganic compounds, including ion transposition, ligand transposition, and nuclear fission. Ion transposition. Ion transposition is a type of transposition reaction that involves the transfer of ions between molecules or compounds. This type of reaction is common in aqueous solutions, where ions are highly mobile and can easily interact with other ions and molecules. One example of ion transposition is the acid-base reaction, where a proton, H+, is transferred from an acid to a base. This reaction involves the transfer of hydrogen ions, H+, between molecules, resulting in the formation of a new compound. Another example of ion transposition is the redox reaction, where electrons are transferred between molecules or compounds. This type of reaction is essential in many biological and industrial processes, including photosynthesis and electroplating. Ligand transposition. Ligand transposition is a type of transposition reaction that involves the transfer of ligands between metal ions. In coordination chemistry, ligands are molecules or ions that bond to a metal ion to form a coordination complex. One example of ligand transposition is the substitution reaction, where one or more ligands are replaced by other ligands. This type of reaction is common in biological systems, where metal ions are often coordinated by specific ligands, such as enzymes and proteins. Another example of ligand transposition is the isomerization reaction, where the arrangement of ligands around a metal ion is altered. This type of reaction is crucial in catalysis, where the arrangement of ligands can affect the reactivity and selectivity of the catalyst. Nuclear fission. Nuclear fission is a type of transposition reaction that involves the splitting of a heavy nucleus into two or more smaller nuclei. This type of reaction is fundamental to nuclear energy and weapons, and it also occurs naturally in radioactive decay. Nuclear fission involves the absorption of a neutron by a heavy nucleus, followed by the splitting of the nucleus into two or more smaller nuclei, along with the release of energy and additional neutrons. This reaction is highly exothermic and can produce a significant amount of energy. The structure of inorganic compounds is also an essential aspect of inorganic chemistry. Inorganic compounds can have a variety of structures, including molecular, ionic, and metallic. Molecular compounds consist of discrete molecules composed of atoms held together by covalent bonds. These compounds often have low melting and boiling points and are typically nonconductive. Ionic compounds consist of positively charged cations and negatively charged anions held together by electrostatic forces. These compounds often have high melting and boiling points and are typically brittle and nonconductive in the solid state. Metallic compounds consist of metal atoms held together by metallic bonding, which involves the sharing of electrons between atoms. These compounds typically have high melting and boiling points and are highly conductive. In conclusion, inorganic chemistry involves understanding the properties and behavior of inorganic compounds, including their structure and the reactions they undergo. Transposition reactions, including ion transposition, ligand transposition, and nuclear fission, are crucial to many aspects of inorganic chemistry, including catalysis and nuclear energy. The structure of inorganic compounds, including molecular, ionic, and metallic compounds, is also an essential aspect of inorganic chemistry. By understanding these concepts, researchers can develop new materials and improve existing ones, contributing to advancements in fields such as materials science, medicine, and energy. TFTUC. Coordination complexes. Coordination complexes are a type of inorganic compound that consists of a central metal ion bonded to one or more ligands. These compounds often have unique properties, including color and magnetism, and are essential in many biological and industrial processes. The structure of coordination complexes is determined by the nature of the ligands and the geometry of the metal ion. The most common geometries for coordination complexes are tetrahedral, square planar, octahedral, and trigonal bipyramidal. The bonding between the metal ion and the ligands in coordination complexes is typically covalent, although there may be some ionic character. The strength of the bond is determined by the nature of the ligands and the metal ion, as well as the geometry of the complex. Crystal structures. The study of crystal structures is an essential aspect of inorganic chemistry. A crystal is a solid material in which the atoms or molecules are arranged in a highly ordered, repeating pattern. The crystal structure of a material determines its physical and chemical properties, including its hardness, melting point, and conductivity. Inorganic compounds can form a variety of crystal structures, including cubic, tetragonal, orthorhombic, hexagonal, and monoclinic. The crystal structure of a material is determined by the nature of the atoms or molecules and the conditions under which the material was formed. Inorganic polymers. Inorganic polymers are a type of inorganic compound that consists of repeating units of inorganic monomers. These compounds have unique properties, including high thermal stability and chemical resistance, and are used in a variety of industrial applications, including coatings, adhesives, and catalysts. Examples of inorganic polymers include silicates, phosphates, and borates. These compounds can form a variety of structures, including chains, rings, and networks, depending on the nature of the monomers and the conditions under which the polymerization occurs. Inorganic nanomaterials. Inorganic nanomaterials are a type of inorganic compound that consists of particles with dimensions on the nanometer scale. These compounds have unique properties, including high surface area and reactivity, and are used in a variety of applications, including catalysis, sensing, and drug delivery. Examples of inorganic nanomaterials include metal nanoparticles, quantum dots, and nanowires. These materials can be synthesized using a variety of methods, including chemical reduction, sol-gel synthesis, and template-assisted synthesis. In conclusion, inorganic chemistry is a broad field that encompasses the study of a wide range of inorganic compounds, including coordination complexes, crystal structures, inorganic polymers, and inorganic nanomaterials. Understanding the properties and behavior of these compounds is essential to many aspects of modern life, from materials science to medicine. By continuing to study these compounds and develop new materials and applications, researchers can contribute to advancements in fields such as energy, electronics, and environmental science. Inorganic materials and energy applications. Inorganic materials play a crucial role in many energy applications, including solar cells, fuel cells, and batteries. Inorganic materials can be used as catalysts, electrodes, and semiconductors, among other applications. In solar cells, inorganic materials such as silicon and cadmium telluride are used as semiconductors to convert sunlight into electricity. These materials have high efficiency and are widely used in commercial solar cells. The use of dyes and inks in technology, organic dyes and inks. Dyes and inks are ubiquitous in modern technology, from printing and textiles to electronics and biomedical imaging. The use of dyes and inks has revolutionized many industries, enabling the production of high-quality and visually appealing products. In this article, we will explore the use of organic dyes and inks in technology, including their properties, applications, and challenges. Organic dyes. Organic dyes are a type of compound that contains a chromophore, a group of atoms that absorbs light in the visible or ultraviolet range. This absorption of light gives organic dyes their characteristic color. Organic dyes can be synthesized using a variety of methods, including chemical synthesis and biotechnology. The properties of organic dyes, such as their absorption spectrum and solubility, can be tailored by manipulating the structure of the chromophore and the surrounding functional groups. This allows for the development of dyes with specific color and solubility properties, which are important for many applications. One of the most significant applications of organic dyes is in textiles, where they are used to color fabrics and fibers. Organic dyes are also used in printing and publishing, where they are used to produce high-quality and visually appealing images. In addition, organic dyes are used in biomedical imaging, where they are used to label cells and tissues for visualization. The use of organic dyes in technology presents several challenges, including their potential toxicity and environmental impact. Many organic dyes are toxic and can pose a risk to human health and the environment. In addition, the use of organic dyes in textiles and printing can result in the release of harmful chemicals into the environment. To address these challenges, researchers are developing new methods for synthesizing and using organic dyes that are more sustainable and environmentally friendly. For example, researchers are exploring the use of natural dyes, such as those derived from plants and insects, which are less toxic and have a lower environmental impact. Organic inks. Organic inks are a type of ink that contains organic compounds, such as dyes and pigments, dissolved or dispersed in a liquid medium, such as water or oil. Organic inks are used in a wide range of applications, including printing, packaging, and electronics. The properties of organic inks, such as their viscosity and drying time, can be tailored by manipulating the composition of the ink and the nature of the solvent. This allows for the development of inks with specific properties that are important for many applications. One of the most significant applications of organic inks is in printing, where they are used to produce high-quality and visually appealing images on a variety of substrates, including paper, plastics, and textiles. Organic inks are also used in packaging, where they are used to label and brand products. In addition, organic inks are used in electronics, where they are used to print circuits and other electronic components on a variety of substrates. This process, known as printed electronics, has the potential to revolutionize the electronics industry by enabling the production of low-cost and flexible electronic devices. The use of organic inks in technology presents several challenges, including their stability and performance over time. Many organic inks are prone to degradation and can result in reduced performance or color fading over time. In addition, the use of organic inks in electronics requires the development of inks that can conduct electricity and adhere to a variety of substrates. To address these challenges, researchers are developing new methods for synthesizing and using organic inks that are more stable and performant over time. For example, researchers are exploring the use of new solvents and stabilizers that can improve the stability and performance of organic inks. Conclusion. The use of dyes and inks has revolutionized many industries, enabling the production of high-quality and visually appealing products. Organic dyes and inks are a crucial component of modern technology, with applications in textiles, printing, packaging, electronics, and biomedical imaging. The properties of organic dyes and inks can be tailored to meet specific application requirements. But their use in technology presents several challenges, including their potential toxicity and environmental impact. By continuing to study and develop new methods for synthesizing and using organic dyes and inks in a sustainable and environmentally friendly manner, researchers can contribute to advancements in fields such as materials science, electronics, and biomedical imaging. Biomedical applications of organic dyes and inks. Organic dyes and inks are also widely used in the field of biomedical imaging, where they play a crucial role in enhancing the contrast of tissues and cells. For example, fluorescent dyes can be used to label specific cells or tissues for visualization under a microscope or in vivo. Organic dyes can also be used in magnetic resonance imaging, MRI, to enhance the contrast of tissues. In addition to imaging, organic dyes and inks are also being explored for use in drug delivery and therapeutics. Researchers are exploring the use of organic dyes and inks to develop targeted drug delivery systems that can deliver drugs to specific cells or tissues. This approach has the potential to improve the efficacy of drugs and reduce side effects. Organic dyes and inks are also being explored for use in photodynamic therapy, PDT, a type of therapy that uses light to activate a photosensitizing agent that destroys cancer cells. Organic dyes and inks can be used as photosensitizing agents and can be tailored to target specific cancer cells or tissues. Challenges and opportunities in the use of organic dyes and inks. Despite the many advances in the use of organic dyes and inks, there are still many challenges and opportunities for future research. One challenge is the development of new methods for synthesizing and using organic dyes and inks that are more sustainable and environmentally friendly. This includes the development of new solvents and stabilizers that can improve the stability and performance of organic dyes and inks. Another challenge is the development of new applications for organic dyes and inks in fields such as biomedicine and energy. For example, researchers are exploring the use of organic dyes and inks in energy storage and conversion, including the development of organic solar cells and batteries. Finally, the integration of organic dyes and inks with other fields, such as materials science and biotechnology, presents many opportunities for future research. For example, the integration of organic dyes and inks with materials science has led to the development of new materials with unique optical and electronic properties, while the integration of organic dyes and inks with biotechnology has led to the development of new biosensors and imaging agents. Conclusion. Organic dyes and inks are a crucial component of modern technology, with applications in textiles, printing, packaging, electronics, and biomedical imaging. The properties of organic dyes and inks can be tailored to meet specific application requirements, but their use in technology presents several challenges, including their potential toxicity and environmental impact. By continuing to study and develop new methods for synthesizing and using organic dyes and inks in a sustainable and environmentally friendly manner, researchers can contribute to advancements in fields such as materials science, biomedicine, and energy. Future directions in the use of organic dyes and inks. Future directions in the use of organic dyes and inks include the development of new materials and applications. Chemical reactions and production processes in the organic chemical industry. The organic chemical industry plays a critical role in the production of a wide range of products, from plastics and pharmaceuticals to food additives and fragrances. In this article, we will explore the chemical reactions and production processes involved in the production of organic compounds, including polymers, alkylates, and acetyls. Polymerization. Polymerization is the process of combining small molecules, called monomers, to form a larger molecule, called a polymer. This process is used to produce a wide range of synthetic polymers, such as polyethylene, polypropylene, and polyvinyl chloride, PVC. The process of polymerization involves the use of catalysts, which are substances that increase the rate of a chemical reaction without being consumed in the reaction. Polymerization can be initiated in several ways, including by heat, light, or chemical initiators. Polymerization can also be controlled to produce polymers with specific properties, such as molecular weight, branching, and crystallinity. This allows for the production of polymers with specific properties that are important for many applications, such as packaging, textiles, and electronics. Alkylation. Alkylation is the process of adding an alkyl group to a molecule, typically an aromatic compound, in order to modify its properties. Alkylation is used to produce a wide range of compounds, such as detergents, gasoline additives, and pharmaceuticals. The process of alkylation involves the use of a catalyst, such as hydrofluoric acid or sulfuric acid, to add an alkyl group to the aromatic compound. Alkylation can also be used to produce branched-chain hydrocarbons, which are important for the production of gasoline and other fuels. Alkylation can also have environmental implications, as the use of certain catalysts can lead to the production of toxic byproducts. As a result, there is growing interest in the development of more sustainable and environmentally friendly methods for alkylation. Acetylization. Acetylization is the process of adding an acetal group to a molecule, typically an aldehyde or ketone, in order to modify its properties. Acetylization is used to produce a wide range of compounds, such as solvents, fragrances, and pharmaceuticals. The process of acetylization involves the use of a catalyst, such as an acid catalyst or a Lewis acid catalyst, to add an acetal group to the aldehyde or ketone. Acetylization can also be used to protect aldehydes and ketones from further reactions, such as oxidation or reduction. Acetylization can also have environmental implications, as the use of certain catalysts can lead to the production of toxic byproducts. As a result, there is growing interest in the development of more sustainable and environmentally friendly methods for acetylization. Production processes in the organic chemical industry. The production of organic compounds in the chemical industry typically involves several steps, including synthesis, purification, and formulation. These steps can vary depending on the specific compound being produced and the intended application. Synthesis involves the production of the desired compound through chemical reactions, such as polymerization, alkylation, or acetylization. Purification involves the separation of the desired compound from other impurities, such as by distillation, crystallization, or chromatography. Formulation involves the preparation of the desired compound for its intended application, such as by mixing it with other ingredients or processing it into a specific form, such as a powder or a liquid. Formulation can also involve the addition of additives, such as stabilizers or colorants, to improve the properties of the compound for its intended use. Challenges and opportunities in the organic chemical industry. The organic chemical industry faces many challenges and opportunities, including the development of more sustainable and environmentally friendly production processes, the development of new compounds and applications, and the need to comply with regulations and standards for safety and efficacy. There is growing interest in the development of more sustainable and environmentally friendly production processes, such as the use of renewable resources and the reduction of waste and emissions. This includes the development of new catalysts, solvents, and reaction conditions that are less toxic and more efficient. There is also growing interest in the development of new compounds and applications, such as biodegradable polymers, renewable energy sources, and new pharmaceuticals. These new compounds and applications have the potential to revolutionize many industries and improve human health and well-being. Finally, the organic chemical industry must comply with regulations and standards for safety and efficacy, such as those set by government agencies and industry organizations. This includes the development of new methods for testing and evaluating the safety and efficacy of new compounds and applications. Conclusion: the organic chemical industry plays a critical role in the production of a wide range of products, from plastics and pharmaceuticals to food additives and fragrances. The production of organic compounds involves a variety of chemical reactions and production processes, such as polymerization, alkylation, and acetylation. While the organic chemical industry faces many challenges and opportunities, including the need to develop more sustainable and environmentally friendly production processes and comply with regulations and standards for safety and efficacy, it also has the potential to revolutionize many industries and improve human health and well-being. Ethical considerations in the organic chemical industry. The production of organic compounds in the chemical industry also raises ethical considerations, particularly in relation to the potential impact on human health and the environment. For example, the use of certain catalysts and solvents in chemical reactions can lead to the production of toxic byproducts that can harm human health and the environment. In addition, the production of certain organic compounds, such as plastics, can contribute to environmental pollution and the accumulation of waste in landfills and oceans. The disposal of these compounds can also have a negative impact on the environment, particularly if they are not biodegradable or recyclable. There is growing interest in the development of more sustainable and environmentally friendly production processes for organic compounds, such as the use of renewable resources, the reduction of waste and emissions, and the development of biodegradable and recyclable materials. These efforts can help minimize the negative impact of the organic chemical industry on human health and the environment. Regulation of the organic chemical industry. The production of organic compounds in the chemical industry is subject to regulation by various government agencies, such as the Environmental Protection Agency, EPA, and the Food and Drug Administration, FDA. These agencies set standards and regulations for the production and use of organic compounds to ensure their safety and efficacy. In addition, organizations such as the American Chemical Society, (ACS), and the National Institute of Standards and Technology, (NIST), provide certification and standards for the production and use of organic compounds. These certifications ensure that organic compounds meet certain standards for safety, efficacy, and environmental impact. Future directions in the organic chemical industry. Future directions in the organic chemical industry include the development of more sustainable and environmentally friendly production processes, the development of new compounds and applications, and the integration of organic chemistry with other fields, such as nanotechnology and biotechnology. There is a growing interest in the development of more sustainable and environmentally friendly production processes. For organic compounds, such as the use of renewable resources, the reduction of waste and emissions, and the development of biodegradable and recyclable materials. These efforts can help minimize the negative impact of the organic chemical industry on human health and the environment. The development of new compounds and applications, such as biodegradable polymers, renewable energy sources. Metal complexes are compounds that consist of a metal ion and one or more ligands, which are molecules or ions that donate a pair of electrons to the metal ion. Metal complexes have many applications in a wide range of industries, including pharmaceuticals, fuels, fertilizers, water treatment, and brewing. In this article, we will discuss the applications of metal complexes in these industries and the advantages they offer. Pharmaceuticals. Metal complexes are widely used in the pharmaceutical industry as drugs, diagnostic agents, and contrast agents in medical imaging. Metal complexes provide a range of advantages over organic molecules, including high specificity, low toxicity, and the ability to target specific cellular processes. Some examples of metal complexes used in medicine include cisplatin, a platinum-based metal complex used in the treatment of cancer. Ferrocene, a metal complex used as an anti-inflammatory and is a treatment for diabetes. Gadolinium, a metal complex used as a contrast agent in magnetic resonance imaging, MRI fuels. Metal complexes are also used in the production of fuels. One example is the use of metal complexes as catalysts in the production of biofuels from biomass. Metal complexes can also be used as catalysts in the production of hydrogen from water, which has potential as a clean, renewable fuel source. Fertilizers. Metal complexes are used in the production of fertilizers, which are essential for agriculture. Metal complexes are used as micronutrient fertilizers, providing essential nutrients such as iron, zinc, and copper to plants. Metal complexes are also used as chelating agents, helping to bind nutrients to the soil and prevent them from being washed away. Water treatment. Metal complexes are used in the treatment of water to remove contaminants and improve water quality. Metal complexes can be used as coagulants, helping to remove suspended solids and organic matter from water. Metal complexes can also be used as adsorbents, helping to remove heavy metals and other contaminants from water. Brewing. Metal complexes are used in the brewing industry as stabilizers and clarifiers. Metal complexes can help to stabilize beer by preventing the formation of haze and improving shelf life. Metal complexes can also help to clarify beer by removing suspended solids. In addition to these applications, metal complexes are also used in many other industries, including electronics, cosmetics, and textiles. Metal complexes provide a range of advantages over organic molecules, including high stability, specificity, and selectivity. Metal complexes are also often less toxic and more environmentally friendly than organic molecules. One of the key advantages of metal complexes is their ability to bind to specific target molecules or ions. This allows metal complexes to be used as catalysts, sensors, and other analytical tools. Metal complexes can also be used in combination with organic molecules to create hybrid compounds with unique properties and applications. Another advantage of metal complexes is their high stability. Metal complexes are often resistant to heat, light, and chemical degradation, making them ideal for use in harsh environments. Metal complexes are also often less reactive than organic molecules, reducing the risk of unwanted side reactions and byproducts. In conclusion, metal complexes have many applications in a wide range of industries, including pharmaceuticals, fuels, fertilizers, water treatment, and brewing. Metal complexes provide a range of advantages over organic molecules, including high stability, specificity, and selectivity. Metal complexes are also often less toxic and more environmentally friendly than organic molecules. As such, the development of new metal complexes and their applications is likely to continue to be an important area of research in the future. In recent years, there has been increasing interest in the development of metal organic frameworks, MOFs, which are porous materials that consist of metal ions or clusters linked by organic ligands. MOFs have many potential applications, including gas storage, catalysis, and drug delivery. One advantage of MOFs is their high surface area, which can be several thousand square meters per gram. This high surface area makes MOFs ideal for use in gas storage and separation applications. MOFs can be used to store gases such as hydrogen, methane, and carbon dioxide, and can be used to separate gases based on their size and affinity for the MOF material. MOFs can also be used as catalysts, due to the high surface area and the ability to tune the properties of the metal ions and organic ligands. MOFs can be used as catalysts in a wide range of reactions, including hydrogenation, oxidation, and carbon dioxide reduction. Another potential application of MOFs is in drug delivery. MOFs can be used to encapsulate drugs, protecting them from degradation and improving their solubility and bioavailability. MOFs can also be used to target specific tissues or cells, due to the ability to tune the size and properties of the MOF particles. Despite the many potential applications of MOFs, there are still challenges that need to be addressed in order to realize their full potential. One challenge is the development of new synthetic methods that allow for the precise control of the size, shape, and properties of MOF particles. Another challenge is the optimization of MOF properties for specific applications, such as the development of MOFs with high selectivity for specific gases or catalytic reactions. In conclusion, metal complexes and metal organic frameworks have many potential applications in a wide range of industries, including pharmaceuticals, fuels, fertilizers, water treatment, and brewing. Metal complexes provide a range of advantages over organic molecules, including high stability, specificity, and selectivity. MOFs, in particular, have many potential applications due to their high surface area and tunable properties. While there are challenges in the synthesis and optimization of MOFs, their potential applications make them an important area of research in inorganic chemistry. As such, the development of new MOFs and their applications is likely to continue to be an important area of research in the future. Another area of application for metal complexes is in the field of water treatment. Metal complexes can be used in the treatment of wastewater to remove contaminants and improve water quality. Metal complexes can be used as coagulants to remove suspended solids and organic matter from water. They can also be used as adsorbents to remove heavy metals and other contaminants from water. For example, iron-based metal complexes are commonly used as coagulants in water treatment. When added to water, the metal complexes form flocks that help to remove suspended solids and organic matter. Other metal complexes, such as those based on aluminum or titanium, can also be used as coagulants. Metal complexes can also be used as adsorbents to remove heavy metals and other contaminants from water. Metal complexes can be designed to selectively bind to specific contaminants, allowing them to be removed from water. For example, metal complexes based on chelating ligands, such as EDTA or DIPA, can be used to remove heavy metals from water. Another area of application for metal complexes is in the production of fertilizers. Organic compounds have a wide range of applications in the production and use of artistic products, including paints and decorative materials. Organic compounds are compounds that contain carbon atoms bonded to hydrogen atoms, and often other elements such as oxygen, nitrogen, and sulfur. In this article, we will discuss the applications of organic compounds in the production and use of artistic products, including paints and decorative materials. Paints. Paints are mixtures of organic and inorganic compounds that are used to protect and decorate surfaces. Paints are typically composed of three main components: a binder, a pigment, and a solvent. The binder is a resinous material that binds the pigment particles together and to the surface being painted. The most common binders used in paints are acrylics, alkyds, and epoxies. Acrylics are used in water-based paints, while alkyds and epoxies are used in oil-based paints. The pigment is a finely ground solid material that provides the color and opacity of the paint. Pigments are typically made from inorganic materials, such as titanium dioxide, iron oxide, and carbon black, but may also contain organic materials. The solvent is a liquid that dissolves the binder and pigment and allows the paint to be applied to the surface. Solvents used in paints include water, mineral spirits, and turpentine. Organic compounds are used in the production of paints as binders, pigments, and solvents. Organic pigments, such as phthalocyanines and azo compounds, are commonly used in paints to provide bright and vivid colors. Organic solvents, such as alcohols and ketones, are commonly used in paints as diluents to reduce the viscosity of the paint and allow it to be applied more easily. Decorative materials. Decorative materials are materials that are used to enhance the aesthetic appearance of surfaces. Decorative materials can be applied to various surfaces, including walls, furniture, and fabrics. Some examples of decorative materials include wallpaper, fabric, and decorative coatings. Wallpaper is a decorative material that is applied to walls to provide a decorative pattern or texture. Wallpaper is typically composed of a paper or vinyl base and a decorative layer that is printed onto the surface of the base. Fabric is a decorative material that is used to cover furniture or create decorative objects. Fabric is typically composed of natural or synthetic fibers that are woven or knitted into a textile. Decorative coatings are coatings that are applied to surfaces to provide a decorative effect. Decorative coatings can be applied to various surfaces, including walls, floors, and furniture. Decorative coatings can be composed of various materials, including organic and inorganic compounds. Organic compounds are used in the production of decorative materials as binders, pigments, and additives. Organic binders, such as acrylics and polyurethanes, are commonly used in decorative coatings to provide a durable and flexible coating. Organic pigments, such as quinacridones and parylene, are commonly used in decorative materials to provide bright and vivid colors. Organic additives, such as surfactants and dispersants, are commonly used in decorative materials to improve the performance and stability of the material. Applications. Organic compounds have a wide range of applications in the production and use of artistic products, including paints and decorative materials. Some examples of applications include paints. Organic compounds are used in the production of paints as binders, pigments, and solvents. Paints are used for various applications, including the painting of buildings, automobiles, and artwork. Wallpaper. Organic compounds are used in the production of wallpaper as binders and pigments. Wallpaper is used to decorate walls in homes, offices, and public spaces. Fabric. Organic compounds are used in the production of fabric as fibers, dyes, and finishes. Fabric is used to create clothing, home furnishings, and decorative objects. Decorative coatings. Organic compounds are used in the production of decorative coatings as binders, pigments, and additives. Decorative coatings are used to enhance the appearance of various surfaces, including walls, floors, and furniture. Challenges and opportunities. The production and use of artistic products, including paints and decorative materials, present several challenges and opportunities. Some of the challenges include environmental impact. The production and use of artistic products can have a significant environmental impact, particularly in terms of the production and disposal of waste. Safety. The production and use of artistic products can present safety hazards, particularly in terms of exposure to chemicals and fumes. On the other hand, the development of artistic products also presents several opportunities, including new applications. Organic compounds have a wide range of applications in the production and use of artistic products. And the development of new products and applications is an active area of research. Sustainable materials. The development of sustainable artistic products, produced from renewable resources and designed to biodegrade after use, has the potential to reduce the environmental impact of their production and use. Conclusion. Organic compounds have a wide range of applications in the production and use of artistic products, including paints and decorative materials. While the production and use of artistic products present several challenges, such as the environmental impact and safety hazards, the development of new products and sustainable materials presents opportunities for future research. The continued development of artistic products and their applications is likely to have a significant impact in various fields, from architecture and interior design to fashion and fine arts. Future directions. The development of new organic compounds and their applications in artistic products is an active area of research, with several promising directions for future research. Some of these directions include sustainable materials, the development of sustainable organic compounds, produced from renewable resources and designed to biodegrade after use, has the potential to reduce the environmental impact of their production and use. Smart materials, the development of smart organic compounds, which can undergo reversible changes in response to external stimuli, such as temperature and light, has the potential to revolutionize fields such as fashion and fine arts. Health and safety. The development of organic compounds that are safe for use and have minimal impact on health and the environment is an important direction for future research. Examples of applications. 7.1 Paint applications. Paints have a wide range of applications in various fields, including architecture, automotive, and art. Dispersed materials, such as gels and foams, have a wide range of applications in various fields, including food, cosmetics, pharmaceuticals, and materials science. Dispersed materials are defined as materials in which one component is uniformly distributed throughout another component, forming a stable system. In this article, we will discuss the technology behind the production and use of dispersed materials, including gels and foams. Gels. Gels are materials that consist of a liquid dispersed in a solid matrix. The liquid component of a gel can be water, oil, or a combination of both. The solid matrix can be made up of various materials, including polymers, proteins, and inorganic materials. Gels have a wide range of applications, including in the food industry as thickeners and stabilizers, in the pharmaceutical industry as drug delivery systems, and in the cosmetics industry as emulsifiers and moisturizers. The production of gels involves several steps, including the preparation of the liquid component, the preparation of the solid matrix, and the mixing of the two components.